We are now going to look at the integration when you integrate trigonometric functions. Now remember that integration is the opposite of differentiation. Okay, that's very important. The opposite of differentiation. Let's look at this simple example. Let's say you have a function sine x and you differentiate it. You get a derivative. The derivative of sine x is cos x. Okay, you see that sign there tells you this is a derivative. Now, if you have cos x and you integrate cos x, you go back to sine x. Okay, this is how it works. This is differentiation and this is integration. Okay, so let's look at an example how we will deal with differentiation, okay, and integration. Let's say you have a function sine 2x, and okay, you see here we will use the chain rule because we have a big function sine and we have a small function inside the sine, and that's 2x. Well, if we differentiate this will be cos 2x, okay, because that's the big fx, the big function, but then you multiply it with the differentiated function in the sine, and 2x differentiated is, or derived is 2. Okay, so you have, your answer is 2 cos 2x. But now our question is, if we integrate 2 cos 2x, remember this is the opposite. Integration is the opposite of differentiation, so we must get back, this must go back to sine 2x. We must get there. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, first of all, what you do is you say 2 and then cos. We see a cos integration is just going back to sine 2x, but then now with the differentiation, with the chain rule, we would have multiplied. Now if we differentiated this, we would have multiplied with the inside of the sine, the differentiated form of that 2x, and that would have been 2. But now you do the opposite in integration, so you divide by that one's the differentiated form of 2x. Okay, it's a bit confusing, but you will get used to it. So you differentiate 2x, and that's 2, and now you don't multiply, but you divide, and you get to sine 2x. And there you have it. You can always check your answer. So if you have sine 2x, differentiate it and see if you get back to your question, and then you know that your integration was right.